This lesson will show you how to listen to a story in one of your Mantra Lingua books using your PENpal in multiple languages. Start by turning on the PENpal by pressing the top button on the device.
Welcome to PENpal. Touch the Start arrow to continue.
The Start arrow for most of our books is on the inside front cover. This is a bit like an ISBN and will inform the pen which book to read.
Marek and Alice's Christmas.
Touch the language button to hear the language.
Portuguese.
In this case, Portuguese. If you want to hear the English audio, go to the front cover and touch the English button.
English.
So let's read Marek and Alice's Christmas. This is a story about two children going back to Poland to visit their grandparents for Christmas. All our books have sound spots on the top corners of each page.
Despacha-te, Alice, chamou Marek. Espera só bocadinho, estou a embrulhar o teu presente.
If you want to pause the audio at any time to ask pupils a question about the illustration or the text, just press the M button on the PENpal. When you want to resume the audio, press the M button again.
Alice muito alto. Posso vê-lo? Perguntou o Marek, cheio de esperança de que fosse uma moto 4.